Hello, my savvy signers. So glad to be back with you today. I wanted just to express beforehand how proud, immensely proud I am of all of your work on Seesaw. I continue to admire how your efforts are really showing through, your diligence during this time of remote learning through our summer program, and how you continue to go beyond my expectations and to really think outside of the box. I have seen such mind blowing work so far, and I look so forward to continuing to see everything else you will create from my little tiny kinder babies to my really cool fifth graders. It's been such a joy to work with you so far. So, good job once again. So, today we will be working on our numbers. So, your assignment is different for both groups. Now, after this video, you'll be able to practice with your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your friend, your dog, your grandma, your neighbor, anybody, and show them what you learned. You can also always be sure you can refer back to these videos, and I will be asking you to post a video on your Seesaw page so that I can view it. So for my kinder through second, you will be doing numbers 1 through 10, and for my older group, my third through fifth, you will be doing numbers 1 through 20. However, my kinder through second group, I would hate to scaffold your creativity, and I would hate to not give you that chance to be able to express yourself and continue to learn. So if you want to do the 1 through 20 group as well, that's totally okay. And if you don't want to, that's totally okay as well. So as far as the video as a reference, I also found the cutest little bookmarks that I will make available to you through your Seesaw page, so that way you can have them printed out. You can look at them through your iPad, your phone, your computer, or you can just print them out and actually use them as a bookmark. There's even a spot for a ribbon, so that's really cool. So let's go ahead and get started. Our numbers 1 through 10. Palm faces you. So the coolest thing ever is that you're counting 1 through 10 with only one hand. So to count for ASL, you only need your dominant hand. So whether that's your right or your left hand. So remember that this is our palm. So when we are doing numbers 1 through 10, our palm is facing us. And then our palm will continue to move as we sign more, but 1 through 10, remember that your palm is facing you. So let's start with our first sign. So our first sign is 1. So the index finger is up, 1. Our second sign is 2. Simple enough. But wait, I know some of you want to put your third finger up. It's not what you think. So we have 1, 2, then we have 3. So think of a Ninja Turtle hand. You have 3. 3 goes in to put that thumb back in. 4, and the thumb back out for 5. So again, slowly it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So good job so far. Now we are going to move on to 6. So for 6 now, our palm is facing out. Out. So now the palm is facing out so that they can clearly see how you were signing. So for 6, your thumb and your pinky are going to meet. 6. 6. Then for 7, your thumb and your ring finger. 7. 7. For 8, your thumb and your middle finger. 8. 8. And as you guessed, for 9, it's going to be your index and your thumb. 9. So again, that's 6, 7, 8, 9. But you might be saying, Miss Simone, wait, where does 10 come into play? Well, 10 is a thumbs up and it goes twice. That was a little more than twice, but 10. So let's go from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch it around, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. So that's all you need for my kinder through second grade group. So go ahead and go practice, watch this video, and you can upload your video. Now, if you want to continue, that's up to you, but please do not feel like you have to. It's only if you choose to. So this is your learning. I want you to have that choice. As far as my third through fifth, please continue to watch. So we are going to do numbers 11 through 20. 11 through 20, and just be cognizant and be aware, that's what that means, of your palm placement. So for 11, our palm is continuing to face us, and we're going to do our one sign, but we're going to flick it up twice. So it's like, oh, you're going to sign your one twice to make 11. So 11. Again, 11. So some of you are 11. 11. So I'm flicking it off the back of my thumb. So it makes a little sound. So 11, and then 12. We flick them off. So they go into this pattern right here. So 11, 12. So naturally my fingers make a V. So it really is up to like what you're able to do. I've seen some people that can sign them together. I've seen some people that kind of sign them open. At this point and at this level of beginner, I'm going to say however your fingers end up, that's okay with me. The purpose is that we're getting our feet wet in ASL and we are learning. So we have 12. Now for 13, we're making the 3, but we're not going to flick them, and our thumb stays just right there. It's not going to move. So we're going to do this twice, like we're telling somebody to come here. 13, 13. So we have 11, 12, 13. Now for 14, we're going to put our thumb in. We're making a 4. Same thing, twice. 14. So we have 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now for 15, we are going to go ahead and open our hand just the same way, and it's going to come in twice. 15, and I'm not going to be moving my thumb. 15. Now 16 through 19. There are 2 different ways to sign this. However, I'm going to teach you the one that is most common, the one that is simpler, the one that I learned, and the one that I feel you will be able to retain easier. So for 16, we're going to make our 6, and we're going to flick our wrist twice. 16, again, 17, 18, 19. So 16, 17, 18, and 19. Then for 20, you're going to pinch something twice, like somebody's little cheeks. 20, 20. So we have, let's go, I'm going to go from 11 to 20. So 11, 12, oops, 13. I was like, what's going on here? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So go ahead and let's do 1 through 20 just to go ahead and review before I end this video. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So good job, good job. Go ahead and work on those videos, and I'll see you later. Bye.